In this video, we will cover a simple program on more C++ statement. So here a program to calculate average of two numbers, means we have to accept the two number from a user and display the sum and average for the accepted number. Before starting this program, we will just have a look on the basic data types of C++. The data types in C++ can be classified under various categories. See the different data types we are using. C++ data types. It is first basically classified into three categories, that is user defined type, then a built-in type, the next one is a derived type. Fine. Under user defined type we will be using structure, union, class and enum. Fine. Under built-in type, three parts will be there. First will be integral type, the next is void and a floating type. Built-in type is classified under these three categories. Now under integral type we will be using an integer data type and a char. The next is floating type, that will be float and a double data type. The next one is derived type. In this, three types will be covered: array, then function and a pointer. So these are the basic data types inside C++. So now using these data types one by one, we will see the example for the above question, a program to calculate average of two numbers and displaying the sum and average. First, please note it down these data types. Have a look on a program. First, include the header files. So here a h header file. The next one is conio.h. Here we have to declare the three variables. First, to accept two numbers, number 1, number 2. For holding a sum of these two numbers, a sum variable and a average variable for finding the average. So cout, enter two numbers, and with the help of cin, and using an insertion operator here, hold the value inside a variable, that is num1. Here the concept of specifiers is totally removed, as we were applying the %d, %s and %f specifier for a variable before accepting the variable, and no need of specifying the address sign, that is and sign. Just type cin, use the insertion operator and type the variable name. Now after accepting the values, just have a formula here, num1 plus num2. For average also sum divided by 2. Fine. Now to display the result of these two variables on a screen, just have a cout function, once again sum, and just actually we have to display the value, so type a variable name in which we are holding. Now you can use a /n to moving to a new line. To display the average, avg, we have defined the variable name. To move on a new line in C++, instead of using /n, you can use a end l operator, that is end of line. So it's your choice, you can use a /n which we were using in C, but the actual operator for a new line inside C++ is end l. After completing the program, you just please run this by pressing Ctrl F9. Fine. As we have not applied the clear screen function, the previous message was still there. So to remove this message, you please type clear screen inside your program. Now you will accept two numbers, that is first number is 22, second one is 11. See, the sum is 33 and the average of those two numbers is 16.5. So using cout and cin, we have just completed a simple program in C++ how to accept the values inside a variable and display the variable value, and a new operator and L.